Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Pisces. These are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this is for your career situation, Pisces. If you want more clarity, guys, Pisces, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards. We have Seven of Suns, Papas in reverse and Six of Suns in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Pisces, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So there is a person who is quite close to you. It may be a friend or a mentor in your business or work situation, or it may be someone close to you in your family, someone who has true concern on you, but they are quite selfish and they are trying to influence in you into some kind of decisions today, guys. So they are constantly trying to control you, dominate you in certain things, dominate you when you are making some decisions or choices, and their intentions are not honest, are not good. Maybe for some reason, maybe they do not like this person you love and they want you to leave them. So some kind of they are using this opportunity to turn your mind or change your mind. They are using gossips or some third hand information, trying to poison your mind, guys. So it is a bad influence you have in your situation, or it may be your person's energy. Maybe there is someone influencing them in a bad way, trying to separate you both. They do not like you and they are trying to take this person away from you. So some kind of a negative influence is what I see in your situation, guys, and you are seeing a lot of struggles. But whatever struggles you are seeing today, guys, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship, you are someone who is not the one to give up so easily. So you are standing by this love you have for this person and you are trying your best, working hard to make this relationship work. So maybe this person is listening to gossips and they are not they see you differently now, but still you are trying to bridge the gap, make things work, and you do not want to give up so easily on this love you have for this person, guys. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship first. So it is Pope of Stars in reverse. So looks like this person you are in relationship with, they are their mind is influenced and they are feeling this way because of someone trying to dominate them, guys. That is the reason for their behavior or the reason for their actions. So someone trying to control their actions, that is the reason for their the way they are today, guys, Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Fool in reverse. So with this card, maybe in your career situation, it may be your carelessness or the carelessness of someone, or they are ready to take a lot of risks. That may be the reason for some troublesome situation in your career, guys. So you need to be more careful with whom you associate yourself with in your work situation, guys, Pisces. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, it is Blessing of Zara. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation you are given a blessing or a guidance. So something is obstructing the way of fulfillment in your life, unfoldment, a divine unfoldment, and opportunities are coming towards you to shed the toxins, whatever was not working for you. It may be at the physical level, emotional or psychological level. So sometimes you may understand it consciously, sometimes you may not, but you are in the process of detoxing right now, guys, giving up old thoughts, feelings, pains and struggles, memories from the past flooding you, and you are just expelling all that negativity from your being, and you are moving towards full radiance, vitality. And maybe if you are unwell, if you are sick or suffering from some sickness, you are healing from that, guys, and you are back to good health, recovering to good health, and you are finding that radiance in your soul today, guys, and it is only a matter of time you reach back to your original glory today, guys. And also this card comes with a special guidance. Maybe you are pained because something is leaving you, something which you love is no longer there, but you need to understand that it may be a person or a circumstance. You are seeing inevitable changes to it because it may not support you anymore, guys, and it is not something that is good for you. Something much more beautiful is waiting for you, loving and beautiful. So you just need to rise up and move forward towards that and not brood over the past. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And that time of healing or detox or shining with that previous glory or brilliance is imminent, and you need not worry. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who choose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have hope. So in our situation, guys, often we see or we hear struggles or troubles in our life, and we feel hopeless and heavy at heart. We don't know what we'll be able to do, how to help people, how to do anything about it. So we just simply observe and we do nothing. It is impossible for us to change the whole world, but we can start with some small acts of kindness or help in our situation, guys. So we can do something which we are really passionate about. Maybe a small thing will make a huge difference in someone's life. So when we dedicate our time, resources, or finances to make a difference in that area, it is going to change the way things are for someone else. And when we work with like minded people, we will help ourselves to realize the purpose of our life, and it will bring us hope and faith in future. So we can start with some small acts of help or kindness, and it will instill hope and a sense of purpose in that person's life to whom we are showing our compassion or kindness, and it will instill hope in their lives too. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all today. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.